I'm going to be learning the basics of coding and how to create a photo filter by our skills champion and tech entrepreneur, Yogi.
Hi, my name's Yogi. I've been competing at WorldSkills UK back in 2013 and 2014. I did mobile robotics and web development. And since then, I've kind of progressed in my career in various different aspects, whether it's business to self-development and public speaking.
I'm a little bit nervous about this one. I know absolutely nothing about this.
Well, basically, we're using something called Hour of Code, which is a website built for teaching in school.
And so we have chosen to create our own photo filter. Is that right?
Correct, yeah. And which will basically sit on top of a picture and obviously make it look cool, like various other filters that we're used to these days on Snapchat and Instagram and various other social platforms.
And the code is an instruction. Is that right? It's kind of you're telling the computer to do something.
Yeah, it's exactly that.
So now it's asking me to select the image I want to use.
Your task is to apply an image filter by changing apply filter to true. So the instructions we have is change apply filter equal false to apply filter equals true.
The true and false bit is whether it happens, is that right? So we want to apply filter.
Yes,
so
correct.
We need to change it. Right.
So we need to highlight false and change it to true. And then if we press run code, we should be able to apply the filter to it. There we go.
Okay, so what are we on to now, Yogi?
So now we're on to a function, and a function is basically what I was telling you before. It's like a code that's already written that you can keep pulling again and again all the time. Your task is to update the function so it makes the image grayscale.
So we're trying to actually get this function to do what we want it to do by clicking the empty space.
Correct. So we're going to change the update image to grayscale.
Pixels. Excellent.
Correct.
Another one down.
We're on a roll.
Great. 2 at a time. What's this one?
2 at a time. So in this, we're at a function inside a function. So the apply filter function will apply all the filter functions inside its curly brackets to the images. Right now, there is only one filter function. Your task is to add another function. So we're going to add another filter to this section. So as well as doing the orange filter, we want to add another filter.
So we need to add in the pixelate filter inside the curly brackets. So it can just be after, so just, wait, it won't let me, there.
And then, there you go. And then if you run, it's added the orange and is made it pixelated. And that completes our hour of code.
Thank you so much. I have to say, I would have spent the last hour randomly clicking things on this hour of code until I got it right, but you were incredible. It's really, really well done.
So now you know how to code and the basic fundamentals of programming. You can learn about other skills such as beauty therapy and floristry by checking out some of our other Teach Tom videos.